You don't want to put a relaxer on weak or damaged hair. Before you apply a relaxer coming out of weaves, braids, or even if you notice breakage, give yourself a few weeks of good conditioning before you apply a relaxer. Use the back of a rat tail comb. We don't want to irritate the scalp while we're applying a relaxer. You never want to mix and match your products. That's a no-no. You always want to make sure that you're using the whole package and every ingredient that's in the package. So we want to make sure that we protect around the perimeter area. If you apply relaxer onto previously relaxed hair, it's going to break. Yes, it's going to kill the hair. The next thing you want to use is your Break-Free. Apply the Break-Free all the way down to the new growth. Now, when you're applying it to the new growth, you don't want to get the relaxer directly on the scalp just yet. The scalp actually holds body heat, which tends to activate irritation fairly fast. Just like that. You take a damp towel and wipe any excess relaxer around the skin or the ears. Okay, you want to rinse the hair once it's ready, and you want to rinse with lukewarm water. Do not pull or tug on the hair. You don't want to stress the hair in any way, so you just want to kind of gently rinse the hair. I'm kind of separating so I can get in between to get the relaxer out. And you want to allow it to sit for at least 1 minute so that it can properly neutralize, bringing the pH balance down. And massaging gently. Again, you don't want to stress the hair. You follow it up with the MegaGrowth Leave-In Daily Strengthner Break-Free. Not only does this help detangle her hair, it also helps strengthen the pH balance of the hair as well, leaving the hair feeling silky and healthy.